like to introduce another addition to the Calance AppFolio Playground. The Calance AppFolio Playground is an experimental playground for our users to play with industry-specific applications and use cases where we have taken the opportunity to layer in generative AI features to demonstrate the power of this new technology and how it can be used within existing applications. Today, we have a vehicle maintenance prediction system. This is part of a fleet management and fleet operations system. And this system itself monitors real-time diagnostic information from a fleet of vehicles. So as you can see, this application monitors real-time where each vehicle is and its current status. It does this by ingesting ongoing ECU information from various metric points and correlating that with upcoming maintenance and schedules that are needed to keep those vehicles on the road. This application is then takes all that data and layers into a fleet assistant when you can ask natural language questions and queries regarding a specific vehicle or a fleet to identify which vehicles may need to be called in early or can stay out longer. Again, the idea of layering this generative AI technology into this type of service is to provide additional assistance to predict and optimize a fleet's usability while it's on the road. Give it a try and let us know what you think. We'd love to get your thoughts on how generative AI can be layered on top of your current workflows to create enhanced value for your organization.